I guess them people done popping fireworks. I sure want to catch it with my camera. At least I'm gonna stay on my. Oh. 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 I just saw somebody pop the firework. Okay. So, all right, y'all. Welcome to the show. All right. So, let's see if anybody gonna pop some fireworks now. You know. Hmm. Should y'all look in the sky? And for some reason, I missed it. You know. All right, let's turn the show to the sky. All right, we gonna look up to see if any fireworks be being popped. There's one star in the sky, y'all don't see. I hear voices, you know. All right, I stall on things and stuff like that. So what I'm trying to do is film the sky, and I hope somebody pop fireworks now. What? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? All right, I got my camera in the sky. Make sure. Oh, y'all hear that? Just trying to make sure if anybody popping fireworks, it sure could be caught on camera. You know. Okay, so anyway, y'all. As I was saying, y'all, what I'm doing is waiting for the fireworks to be popped. So somebody just popped fireworks over there. But people's popping so many fireworks over there, you know. And silly people still got their Christmas stuff up, and Christmas is over, you know. You know what I hate? So somebody keeping Christmas decorations up all year round, you know. Seem like I ain't gonna never catch the damn fireworks. Just like last year, I was doing a recording and stuff like that. I will shout and say, will anybody pop some fireworks right now? I hope somebody do. Yep. The people probably popping fireworks all over town right now, you know. So all right, I'm on my porch. I'm not walking in the neighborhood in this dark. You know, I'm right here. Okay. So I sure don't want to miss them fireworks. You know, cause people popping fireworks all back here. You know. So. So let's go. I'm still be on my house, okay? On my house. Well, not actually on my house, okay? Trying to see who gonna pop some fireworks. I hope I don't miss it, you know? Yep. Almost like listening to Too Short old songs, you know. All right, I'm not far from my house though. I'm close to my house, you know. Just whom is this concerned, you know. I'm not walking the neighborhood at this time of night, you know, because I know how dangerous it is out here, you know. I want to wait on somebody to pop some fireworks, you know. Long as no accident don't be caught on my show, you know. Look up and try to take action, you know. Are y'all gonna watch the fireworks with me? I wonder why them idiots stopped popping it. Yeah, these people so some idiots. Yeah, what was that? But never mind what that was. I heard somebody close a door or something. But who cares? I would hate to walk inside. And all right, so I would hate to go walk inside right now, So I just need to figure out if somebody gonna start popping fireworks, popping fireworks in the sky. Then you got a real then you got a real New Year's celebration, due to this COVID thing, So I'm still waiting on the fireworks, So I don't know where they at. I'm gonna see. Bring it out. Bring it out. Bring it out. Bring them out. Bring them out. Where are they? Bring them out. Bring it out. just this remind me of my year. Well, Reginald got a Sega Dreamcast for Christmas in 1999, and I remember him playing Marvel vs. Capcom. I thought, wait. That's a plane up there. In case y'all wondering. Okay, that's a plane up there. Okay. Okay. Should I show it again? All right. All right. So anyway, gonna go see what's happening. So I don't fool with none of the neighbors around here except one, who I deeply care about. She probably watching this video right now, I don't know if she is or not, but we'll see, But we'll see who's watching, All right. I want to ask a question, just in case them people watching. Did y'all quit popping fireworks around here? Hope the police or no security guard didn't stop them. I stand corrected. So I guess they didn't stop popping fireworks, but as long as they don't use guns to shoot guns in the air, because bullets go up and come down, might hit an innocent bystander walking around, Like they say, what goes up must come down. Really, y'all, what goes up must come down. Because if you shoot a bullet in there and it comes back down, you hit somebody, that's murder. That's why I don't fool with guns, Especially for New Year's, Because I remember back in the day we was in a project, the fools were shooting them guns in the air like they toys or something. That's back in the day, Definitely back in the day, So, where are they? Where? Pop your fireworks now. Da 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 da. I could have did it like this. I know I was recording this time. I was just waiting. Get my last pizza. Another plane. Yep, another plane up there. All I can say, folks, be careful up there. Look at the night sky, y'all can't see the stars, but y'all see that plane up there. All right. I guess I'm gonna keep this forward just in case somebody pop fireworks around here. Cause somebody been popping fireworks. I hope they didn't run out. I hope them folks didn't run out. You know. I was gonna tell her I stopped hearing that music. What the heck, you know? Bring them out, bring them out. I guess them people quit. I guess them people quit. Oh, are they? Oh, oh, I caught it there. Ha! Yes. All right, y'all see that? Just what I've been waiting for. Bam! There we go. Bam! There we go. Thank you, whoever y'all are. Bow. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all see that? Yeah. Well, that was very spectacular, you know what I'm saying? The moment that your boy Dominoes have been waiting for, you know? Whoever the people are, thank you for that entertainment. Thank you for that entertainment, you know? So, tonight, it'll probably go on YouTube. Well, not tonight, though. I don't know when, okay? I got so much crap in my computer, I don't know what the heck to do, you know? Too much. Y'all know how your boy Domino 7 roll. Yeah. So anybody else gonna pop something? Go ahead and do so, you know? So, all right, so, I mean, I don't know who watched Domino 7 right now, you know? Yes, it's not like fireworks was never popped on the Domino 7 show before, you know? Whatever is part of the video or anything, it's part of the Domino 7 show. I saw something behind me. That plane. Well, trust me, it ain't no UFO, you know. It ain't no UFO. The people stop popping firecrackers and stuff like that. Or should I say firecrackers? What's that? What's that? Wait. Well, y'all can y'all see what I see? I suppose not. Or somebody gonna I was trying to get my camera to focus. You know, the people probably gonna pop some fireworks again. You know, come on, somebody. Okay, y'all can't see those other people though. You know. If my buddy don't come out and stuff like that, you know. So anyway, y'all. No other lesson learned. Well, what the heck I'm talking about? But anyway, y'all. But there's some people out there that don't fool with firecrackers. Just like when I was a kid, you know, my brothers, my cousins, and all them they used to come over to our house and pop firecrackers. My auntie was my next door neighbor. I miss those days, you know what I'm saying? I really miss those days, you know, playing Nintendo, popping firecrackers, Sonic the Hedgehog 2, Super Mario Brothers 3, NBA All Star Challenge and stuff. Well, y'all gonna eventually see me play those games if I can find some kind of emulator, you know. But I'm a broadcast on Facebook as well, okay? So how I'm gonna do it? Broadcast on Facebook and YouTube at the same time. Oh, dang! I missed that. I guess I need to keep the camera on the sky just in case they do it again. Well, we barely missed it, you know. We barely missed it, man. You know. So, cause there's popping fireworks over here. I wonder if they gonna pop them over here again, you know. So we gonna have to see first, you know. All right. Cause if they wasn't gonna pop no firecrackers, I wouldn't save this video at all, you know. Well, this title is Facebook Live waiting, Domino 7 Facebook Live waiting on fireworks. Okay. I have a feeling so somebody gonna start popping fireworks or right now. So anyway, y'all, as I was saying, so somebody getting out the car, I don't want the people to think I'm talking to myself, you know. So, which I'm not talking to myself. So you folks at home knows I'm talking to y'all, you know. So, about to speak. Hey, Happy New Year's to y'all. All right, I'm doing the show in case you're knowing. I say I'm doing the show right now, so I'm not talking to myself. All right, I have to let the neighbors know that I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to you people. You know. So anyway, this was a bad year. We lost Marcus the Magnificent, not the higher order for me, but it's the higher order for Marcus the Magnificent, but not for Dominoes 7. You know. So as you can see, when you go out and I hope it's recording. Because sometimes it mess up and stop. So they about to start popping again, you know. But not on this side probably, but on this side, you know. So I'm gonna keep it aimed in the sky, you know. Should I stand in no, I ain't gonna do that, cause I was gonna stand in the middle of the driveway, you know, cause you know I remember when I was on a train, I was recording on a train, and some people was looking at me like, by the way, did y'all saw that episode? And I was telling them people I wasn't talking to myself. They were just looking at me though, you know, like I was talking to myself, like I was crazy, you know. So I'm gonna let people know I'm doing a vlog. I'm not talking to myself, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I'm talking to all of you. They'll be like, man, this guy talking to himself. Man, this guy talking to himself. Why is he talking to himself? Why is he talking to himself? Y'all see that red light in the video? Yep. Yep. What a way to start playing, you know. What a way to start playing, you know. I wish my cousin Justin was still a baby, you know. He was much fun, especially Bailey too. But now he old enough to curse around me. Yeah, Justin and Bailey, yeah. So I'm gonna keep this facing forward just in case they just in case them people over here or over there start popping fireworks, you know. Mm-hmm. So where could they be? Well, not where that's coming from. But don't worry, I'm close to my house, y'all. So to whom this is may concern, I'm good. Okay, that's all. I'm okay, y'all. I'm not gonna be far away from my house. You know, to whom this may concern. You know, I hope I don't get an interruption phone call while I'm doing this show. You know. Oh man, I don't think y'all can hear them voices in the next driveway. Just in case them people start popping fireworks over there, cause I hope they do start popping on fireworks. If they do, they're not disturbing me. It's just that I want to see the sky light up. That's what I want. Uh huh. So I don't know who gonna start popping them. I want to say to people, could y'all hurry up? Do it. Do it. Do it. Well, I guess them people over here quit. Them people probably over there probably quit. Oh, what the hell? And Nala's birthday is in 2 days. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a live stream singing happy birthday to her. You know. My auntie says she wanted to see Nala. That could have been her niece-in-law. Shame on you, Nyla. Or she said she gonna watch this video. Or Nala, she said she gonna whoop my booty. Wow, whoop your booty. Yep. Mm-hmm. All right, so well, it seems like they ain't. But them people still over there. I can hear them, but I don't know if y'all can hear them. I'm gonna step inside and I better not miss the action. You know, I better not miss the action. That's all. All right. Oh. Oh. Well, I got it back here just in case they. What? All right. Let's see where the fireworks are come from. So so let me face it forward again. They probably gonna start popping again. You know. Dianca Starks, why you not watching my show, Dianca? Dianca, shame on you. What was that? I thought I heard somebody scream. Well, if somebody would have screamed, y'all folks would have heard it too. Yeah. So the Domino 7 show Christmas gonna be better than 2020. All I did was a couple of vlogs, you know. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't know if that's a helicopter or what. Them air travelers probably trying to stop people from popping fireworks. What a way to spoil the new year. Idiots. Blunders. Oh, what the hell? I better go inside, y'all. Oh, a firework just popped over there. Whoever did that, goddamn, whoever did it, too soon. A firework just popped over there. Damn, whoever did it, too soon. It's coming from somewhere over there. Goddamn anybody for popping it too soon. Well, I bet they go. Let me go upstairs. Going around here. Better go upstairs and go on my balcony and see if anybody popping firecrackers. I mean fireworks there. I bet they popping them over here. I look over here. Oh, they popping them over there. Oh, that's dangerous if I step on this chair. That's dangerous if I step on this chair, go climb on. I would never do that. You know. You know that plane again. Oh, they popping them over here. Popping them over there somewhere. Go inside. All right. All right. I don't know why I keep doing this crap. Alright. Oh well. I couldn't see them on the front, so try it again. Well, at least I caught some fireworks already, you know. At least I caught some fireworks that was over here somewhere. Oh, I caught that. I just caught that. I just caught that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Yep. Coming from over here, coming from over there. All right. Oh, I don't know if y'all saw that or not. You know, I don't know if y'all saw that. You know, so I'm still keeping the camera on the sky, just in case somebody start. I probably missed that. You know, so. I probably missed that. Oh well. I guess them people over here start popping fireworks. You know. Oh, I caught it. Look at me. Just when I was getting ready to. Oh, I missed that one. Well, it's impossible for them to let me know when they gonna start popping fireworks. You know. So I'm right here, waiting, and then, oh, y'all heard that? Waiting, and then hey, I think it was New Year's of 1995 into '96 when it was popping firecrackers in the Marabou apartments. Then it started raining and did it right inside, you know. Yeah, it's cold outside. They don't want to get sick. I remember they used to have DJs in the Marabou apartments. I remember, you know. I miss the old days, honestly, when things wasn't screwed up. keep it on the sky, you know. Sure, Shamika don't want to be on my show. I hope she don't walk out, you know. Okay. I hope she don't walk out though, you know. Okay. Keeping this on the sky because I don't. Well, screw it. I had enough. Y'all. I done had enough. All right. Well. Yep. While they're out there popping firecrackers, I watching South Beach too. Yep. Jay Buddy is crazy. Oh wow. Never mind that, y'all. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. I don't normally wear my glasses or sunglasses like this, you know. So, all right. So, oh wait a minute, look, dogs. You know, to me, dogs are people. The animals, but people too. Animals, but people too. You know. This number come in handy. Well, that's South Beach too. I know y'all people watched that before on True TV. Used to be Court TV, but speaking of Court TV is back. You know, they used to show cops from Fox to FX and stuff like that.
Hey, Robbie.
Mm.
Man, he looks bad. What are you doing?
So anyway, I was hoping Shamika don't come out though, cause if she don't want to be on the show, you know.
I hate seeing Robbie like this, but I really don't know what I can do.
All right. Well, that's all I gotta say for right now. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. All right. Watching the fireworks with me. Well, waiting on the fireworks. Okay. All right. Bye.